When a host wants to learn the MAC address that's associated with a particular IP address, it will send what's called an ARP query, which is broadcast to all of the other hosts on the local area network. The query looks something as follows, where the host might ask everyone on the local area network who has a particular IP address. The host that has that particular IP address will then respond with its MAC address. The host that originally sent the query now maintains the mapping between the IP address that it queried and the MAC address that it received for that IP address. So the next time the host needs to send a datagram to that particular destination IP address, it already knows the MAC address to which it needs to send that Ethernet frame. Ultimately, when the host sends the Ethernet frame to its destination on the local area network, it encapsulates the IP packet in an Ethernet frame. So as the IP packet is sent on the outgoing interface from the host, it is ultimately encapsulated in an Ethernet frame before it is sent on the local area network. When the frame reaches its destination, the destination host decapsulates the Ethernet frame and extracts the IP packet and passes it up to the next higher layer of the protocol stack. Now, this process of using ARP to resolve an IP address to a MAC address and then encapsulating the IP packet in an Ethernet frame before it's sent on the LAN works well, but in order for this to work in the first place, we need to interconnect the hosts on a local area network. Let's now look at some ways that hosts can be interconnected on the local area network.